Even for the people who love books, finding the opportunity to read can be a challenge. Many then rely on audiobooks, a convenient alternative to old fashioned reading. You can listen to the latest bestseller while commuting or cleaning up the house. One of my friend recommended a Storytel app, and when I tried to explore this app, I realized that I can listen to many books within a short span of time. So I thought to introduce this app to the book lovers. Storytel is a digital subscription service that streams audiobooks for your mobile phone. You can select different categories of books from Storytel app. This app provides best sound quality and different speed levels. Just 299 rupees per month, you can access thousands of books. You can listen to audiobooks anytime, wherever possible. If you do exercise regularly, you can listen to audiobooks. There were English, Malayalam, Hindi, and other region language books available in this app. Most of the popular books are accessible here. You just need to subscribe this app with ease of access to enter the world of books. If you are new to audiobooks, you can try this app free for 14 days when you register in it. I will show you the quick glance of this app. This is the app. This book is I am currently listening. There are several categories. These are the recommendations by Storytel. Popular books, continue listening, bestsellers, originals only in Storytel. Then series, there are several series of books. Then in the categories, Malayalam books, personal development books, fiction books, self-help books. Lot of categories there. If you choose Malayalam books, they are most popular in Malayalam. These are the currently available popular books in the Malayalam. You can filter the books, audiobooks, English, Malayalam, in the language also you can filter. Now you can search. There is a search feature. Now I type Robin Sharma. He is a famous motivational speaker and author. All of his books are available here. You can search with the author name or title. This is a bookshelf. You can save your books in the bookshelf. There is also a filter. These are the books I read. Hope all of you will try this app. Please do comment about the review of this app. Thank you very much.